What's up, guys? We are back with the latest Samsung news. Samsung is going to add a new phone to their Galaxy A series with the release of Samsung Galaxy A100, which is going to have killer specs and a slim design. After the launch of Galaxy A71, the expectations from this device are quite a bit higher. As per officials, Samsung may announce this phone at the MWC 2021 event, and the expected price of this device is around $600 or around 30,000 rupees for Indian people. It is the most advanced phone that you'll find in the Galaxy A series. The phone sports a 7.2-inch Super AMOLED 1080p display. It has pixel support and is protected with Gorilla Glass 6. The Galaxy A100 is an IP68 dust and water resistant certified device. The device will have an in-display fingerprint scanner and will run on Android 11. The phone runs on a 64-bit Exynos 990 octa-core processor. It's coupled with 6, 8, or 12 gigabytes of RAM and will have 128, 256, or 512 gigabytes of total internal storage, which can be further expanded up to 1 terabyte by using a micro SD card. Predictions from a separate source states that it'll have a 7,000 milliamp battery with the capability of a 66-watt wired fast charge and a 30-watt wireless fast charge. On the camera front, Samsung Galaxy A100 features quad primary camera sensors of 108 megapixels wide, 24 megapixels telephoto, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and an 8 megapixel depth sensor, which supports optical image stabilization, dual LED flash, HDR and 4K 60 frames per second video recording, lens fixing, night mode, portrait mode, landscape mode, DSLR mode, and many more, which is going to enhance your photographic experience. It'll have a 32 megapixel front-facing camera that's perfect for taking selfie photos and videos. The official announcement of the Samsung Galaxy A100 smartphone is unlikely to take place before the end of this year. If you guys are new to this site, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.